For this gadget I found this new Amazon lighter with like a lever. So cool. I love that mechanics. I guess it's just releasing it and letting it open, and then I click it to light it up. Let's see it in the dark now. Okay, somewhat darkness. It's very satisfying, and it is super easy to adjust the flame. That's a bit too big. When it's too big, it just will not work, and I can have it very small. When it's too small, it's not reliable. It's probably the smallest to where it's reliable. It's very satisfying and very reliable, and I can make it bigger, probably like as good as this. Maybe too much. Love it. Very unique little lighter with a lever. Olight iMini 2 stylish magnetic and rechargeable mini flashlight. So perfect for keychain. So pull this out. So right away, if I remove this from the keys or from the keychain, this will stay on my keys or like carabiner hanging onto my belt, and this will be a flashlight and very powerful. So it's a magnetic activation, love that. And remove that, plug it in into USB, power bank, car, anywhere, computer, so many places to charge to the USB. This is genius, I love that. Turn off the light super quick, and let's see in the complete darkness. I have right here a window, and it's pointing and brighting up really well. A door edge slide wind down utility blade multi-tool, bottle opener, flat head, and Phillips head right here looks like. Okay, let's open it and see what's about. That actually looks really promising and awesome. Whoa, so there's a button to open it. It will not open, so it's a safety button here, and it locks in here. Oh wow, as soon as I push this, it'll go back. Hold it this way, use it, pry bar, screwdriver, flathead right here, but also could be used as a pry bar. Press this, release it. Wow, that is easy. Replace, flip over. Oh, all I have to do is just push it all the way down to replace it. That's it. Release it, put a new one in, put it away. Sits in a really nice. I love that. It's very small, convenient bottle. Clip. Bottle opener right here. That's what I meant to say. And is even a little rope, like a tether. I could put it on. 9-in-1 ratcheting screwdriver set. So there's a belt clip made out of plastic, and there's an extender. So just put on that, it will remove. Okay. Oh, that's cool. All I have to do is twist it, and it will go the other way. That's a one way to use a screwdriver. Okay, so to remove one of this, all I have to do is just push it. Boom, we have a screwdriver and different bits over here, start bits. Okay, put this one back. You can even just go plug it in into here or an extender. I don't know, feels like a knob screwdriver for sure, like one of those I don't know, like a old school shower knobs. Very interesting. There it is. Locks in there pretty good and super tight right here. Porsche capsule. Folding knife. Let's see what this comes. Beautiful. Out the front. Push it and locks in. Dogger style. Not sharp on this side, just one side sharp. It says commercial logo right here and the model number, China. I love it. This is anodized blue, pretty lightweight. Let's see the exact measurements real quick. It's very satisfying to push it in and out. Nice clip right here. It is 2.1 ounces, and I really have to push deep in to pull it out. So really nice safety in there too. Very satisfying. Well, everyday carry. Out of front, push knife. Beautiful. All knife, folding pocket knife, Sport Dog, aluminum alloy, D2 blade, so handle aluminum alloy, so lightweight, and it's only 3.39 ounces, under 100 gram. So very lightweight, aluminum, not bad. Let's see. Ooh, cool. So little patch. Let's get into it. I love the frog pineapple looking design. It is a lightweight. Whoa, that's tight. Oh, is it like fresh out of the box or something? Is there a safety? Whoa, it has a safety. I think it's assisted. Line no luck, let's see. Oh yeah, this is why. It's assisted. Beautiful dark on gray pineapple design. Or frog design, whatever you want to call it. So there it is. There's a glow in the dark keychain, like a floaties. Let's see. It's kind of nice to even find my keys. Okay, let's go in the dark. It's been exposed to light. See how well they glow. Not the most powerful glow. Probably I'll have to leave it in the sun a lot longer for it to light up. But yeah, there it is in completely dark room. It definitely glows a little bit. It have to be really exposed to light for it to glow better. Got it here, little everyday carry multi-tool, and it has a double knife. So it here like a rope cutter, maybe even a, I don't know, carpet cutter. So many different ways to use this hook cutter. There's a bottle opener too. That's cool, interesting. And also right here, a regular knife, 154 cm blade, and there's a name for it. Very cool, and it's very smooth. I really like it. Boom. So if I need to grab something and cut it, this is perfect. Yeah. And what is this? Looks like a pry bar over here as well. Very interesting little knife, that's for sure. Boom.